Guys, July 19, 2023. This one I got a call from one of the big builders in the area. It is a commercial building. He's got one second floor with no AC. He wants to know if I can go over there and see if I can fix it. I worked at this guy's house before. He's been a builder for a long time, and he does like hundreds of houses a year around here. So he's a big wheel with no spokes, you know. But anyway, we're gonna go over here and see if we can help him out. You like me, a big wheel with no spokes. Anyway, that's the deal. We're gonna see if we can go fix it. Get him air conditioning. Back here in the Panda Village from hell. Go shut off the one that's having a problem. I think it's this one. Bamboo from hell here. This one's pumping out pretty good heat here. This one not so much. A little bit, but nothing crazy. What the coil looks like on this fucker. Yeah. It almost seems like the fan's blowing the wrong way. Sucking air in and blowing out. It's blowing out, sucking in. It's not good. I think this is the one we're working on. This is the one. Capacitors. For some reason it seems like it's going the wrong way. The fan. Bamboo from hell. There's no fucking breaker in there. There's no breaker in it. Son of a bitch. Check that fan one, brother. I don't know, there's no breaker in the fucking thing. I don't like that. Yeah, it disconnected the wires. Fucking nutty. It should be off here, completely off, because it's a 2-pole. Pull one of the lines off the contact, they won't come on. Fucking joke. Shouldn't come on because I got the line voltages. It's a 2-pole. Yeah, let me see if I can find out. It seems like the fan's spinning the wrong way here because the air's coming out the sides and not out the top. But I got the let me see if I got power here. Alright, power's off. Let me see if the capacitor's bad and then I'll check the charge. Okay? Alright. Let me see what I can do. Okay. This is the one. This is the one right here, so. Okay. Check the fan. Sometimes that thing will spin the wrong way if it's not right. Common and fan is 2.9. That's about right. 3, right? I think it's supposed to be a 10 or a 3. I think this is a 10. No, this is a 50-3. I don't know why it's spinning the wrong way, but maybe it's low on charge. we got 3 on the fan side. That's the common. That's what the problem is. They got the flipping thing wrong here. They got the compressor on the common side. Compressor was on the common side, and they got the common side on the compressor side. So I got to change that. That's probably why it's running backwards. This is the common, which is the orange, should go on the 4-pole. Alright, I want to see what the compressor's pulling for amps. See what the compressor's pulling for microfarads. Not the first time I seen it backwards. Common and compressor should be 50 or 45. She's low. 45. I think it's a 50. Yeah. 50-3, that capacitor's low. Compressor was running though. That's 45. And that's 2.9. I don't think I have a 50. I don't think I have a 50-3. I can go check it in my truck. Alright, here's the 50-3 that I need. They had it wired wrong. That might have been why the fan was spinning backwards. Let's put another capacitor. The owner came over and he made a pathway for me through the flipping bamboo from hell. Flipping bamboo from hell. Alright, so we got to change that capacitor, and it was wired wrong. The 2 oranges go on the common before the 2 oranges were on the Herm side. It's not gonna work right. Put a new one in there. This should be a 50-3. It's flipping hot. 50-3 there. See it? I got a new one. Now hopefully the fan spins the right way. This is a 50-3. The other one looks a little on a puffy side. Alright, so the orange, then the purple. Purple goes over here on the Herm, and that fan should spin the right way now. I could call the guy inside to turn the system on, and we could check the charge. I'm kind of curious on if it's going to spin the right way now. It's probably a little bit low on charge too. We'll check that. It was kind of getting sweaty there, but let's see how this is puffy. See how it works now. Before the fan was going the wrong way. Probably been like that since new. See how it cools now. Alright, you want to turn it on now?
I'll do it right now.
Alright, thank you.
Put it on the cold.
Yeah, put on cool and then turn it down so it runs. The capacitor was wired wrong. I put a new one in it because it was weak, and we'll check the charge. It's blowing out the way it should now. I'll get back in touch with you and let you know what's going on here.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, now we got it wired right. Blowing out nice and warm. Probably gonna have to check the charge. Subcooling's a little high here. I wonder if I could get a flipping hose out here and watch this sucker. Inside for equipment. Could be a fan coil unit that's running off of running off a piston. Superheat on today, that would be fine there at 23. I think it was just the capacitor was bad. Wired wrong. 70 on the suction, which is fine for our 22. 22 on the superheat. Our subcooling's a little bit on the high side, but oil don't look crazy dirty. I mean, you can't always go by looks, but the coil don't look crazy bad here. 70 on the suction, 22 on the superheat. Like I said that before, that capacitor with the fan was spinning the wrong way. We're going to let that ride. The way he had that capacitor at 45, the compressor might not have been kicking on. See, it's sweaty. Nice and sweaty. Things aren't always perfect out there in the real world. Never are. Things are never perfect out there in the real world. Jungle from hell. Yeah, so the capacitor and the capacitor should be a 50-3. 45. See that? 45. Dash 27, which was 3. So the capacitor was weak on the compressor side. So it was. So we changed it. The compressor might not have been kicking on all the time. And the thing was wired wrong, so the fan was spinning the wrong way. That wasn't helping it any. Flipping jungle from hell back there. we just left that job, and the capacitor was weak on the compressor, so the compressor might have been starting sometimes and other times not because it was weak. And the wiring was switched. The common went to the HERM terminal, and the compressor went to the common terminal, so it was not right. It was never wired right. I've seen that happen before, right from the factory. Things wired wrong. I mean, the things run like that for years. I don't know how it was running or why it was running, but the fan was running backwards. It was sucking air in through the top and pushing it out the sides. Fan sucking in the sides and out the top like it should. I'd have to get 500 feet of hose. Flipping bamboo feel from hell. Crazy. It's working now, so got his AC back. Well, it's important to carry all the capacitors in different sizes. Them are the Rudd ones. They're kind of fat and big, and they got a 3 on the fan. So I do stock them in the truck, and I try to stock as many capacitors as I can, the ones that I use, and most of the times I can make something happen with what I got in the truck. Shit happens, mama.